Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to collaborate on diagrams in Lucidchart. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply get logged in into your Lucidchart, and once you have logged in into your Lucidchart, you will end up in this kind of interface. So you need to simply get signed up to get access to the official dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you can simply start with the diagram, and once you start with the diagram, you can simply initiate sharing. So to collaborate on diagrams in Lucidchart, all you got to do is simply share it. You need to find this arrow-like option that is like paper airplane kind of option right over there. Once you have tapped this, you can simply tap on the searchable link or individual access. So this will allow you to give different actions like edit and share, edit, comment, or view. So you can choose any of the permissions. After this, you can add a message as well. You can simply give a short description and send the invite link. So this is how you can simply collaborate on diagrams in Lucidchart. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.